ආයුබෝවන් පුතාලට good evening. Your seventh question. To light up a carnival grounds, small light bulbs have been fixed in several frames consisting of metal pipes. In each of these frames, the bulbs are fixed in the pipe in a reducing pattern such that there are 84 bulbs in the first pipe, 84 bulbs in the first pipe, 72 bulbs in the second pipe, and 72 bulbs in the third pipe, etc. 78, 72. With 6 bulbs in the last pipe. In one of these frames, how many pipes are there in which light bulbs are fixed? Right. Now, you can use Tn equals a plus n minus 1d. N minus 1. In this case, we need d. Tn6, the last term, a84. N minus 1. Common difference is 6 minus 6. D is minus 6. You can find d. 78 minus 84 minus 6. 6 minus 84 minus 6n plus 6 minus 78 minus 6 minus 6n. Yes, plus 6, then minus 84 plus minus 6n. N equals 14. N equals 14. Yes, sir. Number of pipes, 14. Dahatay. Number of pipes, 14. Second one. ලකුණු තියෙනවා පුතා 3ක්. 3 marks for this answer. 3 marks. The second one. There are 10 such frames in this carnival grounds. Would 20 boxes consisting of 350 light bulbs each have been sufficient for the above purpose? Give answer for your answer. Give reasons for your answer. First, you can determine 10 such frame. Right, then you can determine number of bulbs in one frame. Number of bulbs in one frame. Right, and you can use Sn equals n over 2 a plus l. Number of frames we need is 14. 14 over 2, 6 plus 84. 7 into 90, 630. Right, 10 such frames. In total number of bulbs. Multiply 630 by 10, 6,300. 6,000, yes, 300. Then we can determine number of bulbs in 20 boxes. In 20 boxes, we can multiply in one box 315 into 20. The answer is 6,300. Then you can write 20 boxes are sufficient. Boxes විස්සක් ප්‍රමාණවත්. Right. So find this answer 5 marks. අපු පහක් කොහොමද තියෙනවා? 5 marks. Then the third one තුන්වෙනි එක මොකද කියන්නේ? It has been proposed to fix another pipe between every two existing pipes in each frames to fix more bulbs, with reasons indicate the difference between the number of light bulbs in two consecutive pipes under this situation. If the number of bulbs in the first and the last rows remain the same, and the number of bulbs in these pipes are decreasing in the area. මේකම තමයි. හරි? මොකක්ද කියන්නේ මම මේක මකනවා පුතේ. Then first of all identify the question. Then the first bulb is 84. Then the 78. Then one frame is fixed. මේ වගේ frame එකක් දානවා. Between each consecutive frame. Like this. Yeah. We need the difference. We need the difference. Now, the previously there are 14 frames. කලින් අපිට කොච්චර තිබුණේ පුතේ? Frames. Yes. 14යි. Yes. Sorry, pipes. Pipes 14ක් තිබ්බනේ. 14 pipes. දැන් මේ අතර මැදි තව pipe එකක් දාන්න. Right. Then there are 14 pipes. Think if there are 5 pipes, how many gaps? How many gaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 gaps. Pipes පහක් තියෙනවා, gaps 4යිනේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒතකොට හැම gap එකක් අතරම තමයි දාන්නේ. Then previously there are 14 pipes according to new arrangement. Number of pipes previously 14, then 13, 27. මේක තේරෙන්න ඕනේ පුතාලා pipe කීයක් එනවද කියන එක. හැම දෙකක් අතරට එකක් එනවා. හරි. If there are 3 pipes, gap දෙකයිනේ pipe අලුතෙන් දාන්නේ. One less than to the previous amount. Then previously 14, then 13 can be fixed. Now the total is 27, right? Then we can determine, here we need D, A plus N minus 1 D. Tn is 6, A is 84, same values. N 27, then 27 minus 1 means 26. 26 into D. Yes, 6 minus 84, 26D minus 78, 26D, D is minus 3. That means difference is minus 3. 2 marks. මේකට ලකුණු දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. 2 marks. Yes. Minus 3 or minus 2? Ah, yes, minus 3. Minus 3, correct. Next one, ඊළඟ එක. construction yes. Use only a straight edge with a centimeter millimeter scale and a pair of compasses to do the following construction. Construct the triangle ABC such that AB6 measure 6, then AB6. Six cm. ABC 90 at vertex B we need 90. එතන 90 ඕනේ. Right? 90 degrees. BC 4.4. BC 4 point measure 4.4. Triangle ABC. To draw this, to construct this triangle, 3 marks. Next step, construct the circle that touches the side AB produced, the side AC produced, and the side BC. What is this? X circle. Make a produce current. Construct the angle bisector. Angle bisector of these exterior angles. angle bisectors. Right? Then you can take this point of intersection of this angle bisectors as a center, and you can draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular එකකුත් අදින්න වෙනවා. අමතක කරන්න එපා මේවා. Right. Draw a perpendicular. Taking this perpendicular height as the radius and point of intersection of angle bisectors as a center, draw the circle. They have a touch වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි? මම එකේ පොඩ්ඩක් මෙතන ස්පේස් එකක් තියෙනවා. Then to draw this perpendicular to an angle bisectors, 2 marks. Angle bisectors, 2 marks. Perpendicular. To draw the perpendicular, 1 mark. Circle, 1 mark. Then the next step, ඊළඟ step එක, mark the point E on AB, produce such that BE8. Produce AB. BE8. 8CA. එකටයි. එකට ලකුණු 1 mark. BE 1 mark. Next step, if the point at which the tangent in 4 above, yes, this one, tangent meets AC produced, meet AC produced is D. All right, you can draw the tangent. Even in the tangent එක ඇදලා ඉන්න එපා. Right, how to construct this tangent? We can draw this tangent. You know, EB is a tangent, then another tangent can be drawn by using the when drawing 2 tangents to a circle from an external point. These 2 tangents are equal in length. Then you can measure EB, then same length can be obtained on this circle like this. වගේ අපිට එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. මේ වගේ measure කරලා මෙතනින් මනි. After that, join sorry, ඒක දුර නෙමෙයි පුතේ නේද? What is the length? Tangent. This one. මේක tangent එක මෙතනනේ. What's the question? Construct the other tangent that can be drawn to the circle from E. Can measure this length. මේක පුතාලට පුළුවන් measure කරගන්න. Then how can you obtain this one? දැන් මේක පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. You have to identify the tangential point. හරියට මේක ගන්න වෙනවා. If you draw a perpendicular to this straight line from the center, we can identify it. Now, we can identify the perpendicular distance. If it is tangential point can be obtained. This one is the tangential point. Now, measure and obtain the point of intersection like this. Now draw the tangent. What is the, produces D? This point is D. What is the name given to the circle in relation to the circle ADE, to the triangle ADE? What is it? This one is incircle. 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 To obtain this tangent 1 mark, the tangent එක ගන්නවට එක ලකුණක් තියෙනවා, and to write this incircle 1 mark. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න පුතාලා. constructions දැන් මේව ගොඩාක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. Incircle. අපි එනවා ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නෙට. Question number 9. Question number 9. 9 ප්‍රශ්නේ බලන්න. In the triangle ABC shown in the figure, CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB, and AF is the perpendicular. Yes, this is the perpendicular bisector. F is the perpendicular bisector of BC. The straight line through B drawn parallel to F meets CD produced at G. Moreover, AF and CD intersect at E. Moreover, AF and CD produce at G. AF and CD intersect at E show that ADE congruent DGBS. Very easily can prove it in the triangles ADE and DGB. ADE and DGB. These two are equal. Alternate angles. These two angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. AD equal DB given under the case angle side. These two are congruent. ADED equals DGB alternate angles. Alternate angles. EDA equals GDB vertically opposite angles. AD equals DB given. Therefore, triangle ADE congruent. Triangle DGB under the case angle side. 3 marks. මේක ලකුණු 3ක් තියෙනවා. 3 marks. Yes, angle side. No, only 2 marks. ලකුණු 2යි තියෙන්නේ 3ක් නෑ. Only 2. මේකේ අනිත් හැටියට 2යි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. 2 marks. The second one, okay, දෙවෙනි කොටස කියනවා 2EF equal AE. 2EF equal AE. 2EF equal AE. Yes. Now we know we need 2EF equals AE. EF AE. Right. Second part, EF parallel to GB. According to the midpoint theorem, we can write EF equals half of GB. Half of GB. EF equal half of GB. Then we can write 2EF equal GB. But you know GB equals AE. Why? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Therefore, you can say EF equals half of AE. You can take these two to your left side. 2EF equals AE. 2EF equals AE. 2 marks. මෙතනදී පුතාලා ලියන්න ඕනේ converse of the midpoint theorem. ඒ parallel equal. මේකත් කැඩෙනවා. Converse of the midpoint theorem. 2 marks. ඊළඟ කොටස මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? DE equals 1/4. මෙතන මම කරන්න. DE, we need DE equals 1/4 EG. EG. Yes. 1/4 CG. Right. We know CE equal EG. Why? According to the midpoint theorem. CE equals EG. You have to mention them. Mention කරන්න වෙනවා එක. මොකද්ද? CF equals FB and EF equals GB. Therefore, CE equals EG. CE equals EG. And DE equals DG. Why? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. DE equals DG. D equals DB. Then we can substitute this. We need this relationship between DE and CG. අපිට සම්බන්ධය තියෙන මොකක්ද පුතේ? CE and TG. මම මේක ඉරේස් කරන්න. DE and TG. You can write CG equals CE plus EG. Then how to represent, how to obtain this CG is in the answer. DE, you have to write DE, CE and EG in terms of DE. DE, right, we know CE equals EG, and we know, then you can write CG equals to EG, right? CG equals, yes, to EG. CG equals to EG, and EG equals EG equals 2 times DE, and you can write then we need the answer in terms of DE. අපිට මේ උත්තරය අවශ්‍ය වෙන පුතේ DE ඇසුරෙන්, right? CE plus EG. Then CE equals CG equals to CG equals to EG. Yes, no problem about that. Make a million CG equals to EG. Now EG equals to DE. You can substitute it. CG equals to EG means to DE. CG equals 4 times DE. Your answer is DE equals 1/4 CG. To find this answer, මේ උත්තරේ ගන්නකොට පුතාලට තියෙනවා 2 marks. දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. ටිකක් දිග ගානක්. 2 marks. And the last part, අන්තිම කොටස දෙනවා. කාටවත් ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ නේ, ඔක්කොම දන්නවා හැමෝම. මොකුත් අහන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. Last one. අන්තිම එක මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? AE squared equals 4ED squared using equiangular triangle. එක කියලා තියෙනවා. AE squared ED. Yes, sir. AE ED. To obtain this answer, you can prove these two as equiangular triangles. ඔව් පේනවා නේද? මේ දෙක equiangular කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ දෙක A D E N C E F. In the triangles ADE and CEF. නිකම් කිව්වා නේද? AED equals CEF. Vertically opposite triangles. AED CEF. And these two are equal. ADE equals CFE given third angle is equals DAE FCE. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. degrees. Therefore, triangle ADE and triangle CEF are equiangular. Make equiangular කරනකොට ලකුණු දෙකක් තියෙනවා 2 marks. To prove these two as equiangular triangles, 2 marks. Equiangular කියන්නේ නැතුව පුතේ relationship එකක් ගන්න බෑ. හරිද? Then answer එකේ තියෙන බලන්න. answer එකේ තියෙන මොනවද? AE and ED. අපි AED තියාලා ගමු. AED. Then you can write it AE over. These two are equal. Then AE. AE over. If two triangles are equiangular, corresponding sides are proportional. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒක දන්නවනේ. AE ට ඉස්සරහින් තියෙන මොකද්ද? AE. sorry. මේ angle එකට අපිට AE right angle මේකේ CE equals ඊළඟට ED අපේ තියෙන උත්තරේනේ. The answer is CD. ED, the equal angle for this one is EF. Now you can write AE times EF equals CE times ED. You have to represent EF and ED. Sorry, EF and CE in terms of EF. Up to 3 TNA. Yes. Then A equals 2 times EF. AE. AE equals 2 times EF. Take a pen. AE. Yeah. EF again. We proved it. AE. May take a samana. If this one is A, this is also A. Right? This one is A over 2 according to midpoint theorem. Then you can write AE equals 2 times EF. A and CE equals 2 times CD. CE equals 2 times ED. 2 times CD. CE. 2 times ED. Yes, AE 2 times. Now you can substitute the values. So EF in what substitute karana. Can erase this. AE 2 times EF. EF. Right? No. Make it substitute. AE EF CE ED. Then both are බලන්න. අපිට උත්තරේ තියෙන මොකද්ද? We need the answer. A squared equals 4ED squared. A squared equals 4ED squared. AE, what is EF? AE over 2. Right? CE 2ED. 2ED into ED. AE squared over 2. 2ED squared. Now, change this 2 to the right side. A squared equals 4ED squared. මේ ක්‍රමෙම විතරක් නෙමෙයි පුතේ මේක හදන්න තව ක්‍රම තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ඉක්විඇන්ගියුලර් කරලා ගන්න ඕනේ. මම ඉදිරිපත් කරපු විදිහම නෙමෙයි. But finally you can write the answer as, you can obtain this as A squared equal 4ED squared. Question number 10. 10 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නය. Question number 10. පුතේ 10 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ බලන්න. Question number 10. The height of a solid right circular metal cone is 3 times base radius. A cone. Three times the base radius. If the base radius is r, height 3r. This cone is melted and 9 identical solid metal spheres of diameter a centimeters each are made without wastage of metal. This type of spheres. Diameter a means radius is a over 2. 9 such spheres are made. Right. මම දෙන්න පුතේ රෙකෝඩින් එක. හරි. දැන් ගිය සැරේ රෙකෝඩින් එක ඉල්ලලා තිබ්බ පුතේ. ගිය සැරේ මට මම නැක්ටම රෙකෝඩ් කරා. නමුත් කන්වර්ට් කරගන්නකොට ගැටලුවක් වෙලා තිබුණා. ඒ නිසා තමයි ගිය සැරේ රෙකෝඩින් එක දෙන්න බැන්නේ. මේ සැරේ දෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. What is the relationship volume of the cone volume of the cone is equal to Right. Volume of the cone is equal to 9 times volume of the sphere. Volume of a sphere. Volume of the cone 1/3 5 r squared h3r. 9 times 4 over 3 5 a over 2 cube. Radius is a over 2. So simple. Both sides can be divided by 5 and by 3. R හරි පුතේ. Now මේක හරි නේද? Volume of the cone equal 9 times volume of the sphere. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a cone 1/3 5 r squared. Height is 3r. 9 times 4 over 3 5. Radius is a over 2. A over 2 cube. Both sides can be divided by 5. Left side r cube. Then r cube equals, simplify this by 3 3. Then by 4 2. 3 over 2 means 1.5 a cube. Your answer is r equals 1.5 cubic root a. Yes, 1.5 cubic root a. Next step, ඊළඟ කොටස තියෙනවා. Using the logarithmic table, find the value of radius to the nearest centimeter, where a equal 2.58. A equals 2.58. R equals 1.5 to the power 1 over 3 into a means 2.58. Yes. R equals 1/3 LG 1.5 plus LG 2.58. LGR 1/3. The whole number part is 0.150. Yes, 1761 plus 0.258 4160. Now divide this one by 3. 0.5 to 26 means 8. 2 21 means 7. 5 8 0. Yes, 0587. When dividing 1 by 0, 0 17 means 8. 5. 17 over 3 5 remainder 2 26 means 8 7. Yes, 0587 plus 0.4116. Add 13 10 7 4 4703. LG R. To find R, we need antilog 4703. Yes, 2953. Whole number part is 0. Oh, that means 2.953. The answer is radius 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. To the nearest centimeter, the answer is 3 centimeters. Okay, ලකුණු තියෙන්නේ 6 marks. මේකට 6ක් තියෙනවා. 4 marks. Yes, R equals 3. Question number 11. Sets. Nicholas in Russian. Sets. Question number 11. Nicholas in Russian. The information gathered regarding the language skills of those who work in a factory in which there are foreign employees to is given below. While there are 8 employees who speak Tamil, yes, 8 employees who speak Tamil, 60 employees who speak English, 25 employees who speak Sinhala. Everyone who speaks Tamil also speaks English. Also speak English. It is Tamil subset of English, right? English. This definitely this one is Sinhala, right? First of all, identify the 3 sets, then include the data. 8 employees who speak Tamil, 60 employees who speaks English. 25 employees who speak Sinhala. No employees speaks both Sinhala and Tamil. That means no intersection of Tamil and Sinhala. Right. The first question, copy the given Venn diagram, name the 3 sets. Right. To name the 3 sets, 2 marks. Nam karnata. Name 3 sets, 2 marks. ඊළඟට yes, including 68 and 25 1 mark. ලකුණු කීයද? එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක සඳහා. Second one, if there are 22 employees who speak exactly 2 of these 3 languages, how many speak both Sinhala and English? Exactly 2. Yes, දෙකක් විතරක්. This represent Tamil and English. This represent English and Sinhala. Total is 22 means this one is 14. 22 minus 8, 14. එතනට 14යි. Yes, 2 marks. If there are 68 employees who do not speak Tamil, 68 do not speak Tamil. Right? Definitely this one is 50 to make 1 දෙක කියලා දන්නවා. No. Yes, exactly. If there are 68 employees who do not speak Tamil, 68 do not speak Tamil. This one is 38. Right? Total is 60. 14 plus 8, 22. This is 38, 60. This one is 11. If there are 68 employees who do not speak Tamil. How many do not speak any one of these 3 languages? Yes, sir. Total of these 4 parts is 68. Then you can find the number of elements of this region. That means, what is it? Do not speak any one of these 3 languages. 68 minus 38 plus 14 plus 11. Yes. 68 minus 63, it is 5. 5. There are 68. Do not speak Tamil. Don't make Tamil කියන්න තියා කොමේ කොටස් 4. Sum of these 4 parts is 68. We know sum of these 3. To find this one, subtract total of these 3 from 68. It's 5. To find 5, 3 marks. The management inform the employees that all these who speak who speak only Sinhala have to learn English. In a survey done 6 months later, it is found that everyone who speaks Sinhala who speaks English. All right, that means Sinhala subset of English. Draw a new Venn diagram to depict this. Change and name the 3 sets. Like Tamil, Sinhala becomes a subset of English. This is Tamil and Sinhala. English. මේක අඳිනකොට දෙකක් තියෙනවා ලකුණු. 2 marks. The last question. අන්තිම ප්‍රශ්නය. Last one. It's the first part. By means of a figure, illustrate the theorem related to the angle that the tangent to a circle makes with a chord drawn from the point of contact. Yes, what is this? Angle in the alternate segment when drawing the tangent and at the tangential point drawing chord. Angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to angle in the alternate segment. DBE equals DE. මේක ඉඳලා ලියනකොට ලකුණු දෙකක් තියෙනවා. මොකුත් ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Using a figure. Figure එකකින් මේක පෙන්වනවා. හරි. Right. 2 marks. Angle between the tangent and chord is equal angle in the alternate segment. Alternate segment means how can you define the alternate segment? The opposite segment, this angle. So මේක ගත්තොත් මේ angle එක ගත්තොත් alternate segment එක කියන්නේ මේ පැත්ත. අපේ අන්තිම theorem එක ඕක. Our last theorem. The tangent drawn at the point A to the circle with center in the figure and the diameter BOC. This is a diameter. Produce meter D. Moreover, A is the perpendicular drawn from A to BC. Drawn from A to BC. Make a perpendicular. Show that AC is the triangle bisector of EAD. What we can. AC is a bisector of EAD. If it is, they have to prove these two angles are equal. මේක සමානයි කියලා කියාගන්න ඕනේ පුතාලා. කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Right? How to do? We can yes, this is the tangent and AC is a chord. This angle is equal to, if you draw this BA line to this BA. What type of the previous theorem? I think more suitably you can take this as x. Make x කියලා ගන්න උතර. Take මේ විදිහට මොන්නේ ඕන විදිහට හැදුවා හැකි. ABE as x. Right? Then therefore CAD equals x, make a x. Angle in the alternate segment. CADX. We have to prove this as x, make a x කියලා පෙන්න ගන්න යෝනේ. Yes, we know BAC 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Right, now what is this angle? Make a මොකද්ද පුතේ? This is 90. Then you can write this as 90 minus x. You can prove it CBA plus BAC plus ECA or BCA 180. Why? Sum of these three is equal 180. BCA means CBA means X plus 90. BCA 180 මෙතන ලියන්න දෙයක් නැහැ කෙලින්ම ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතල් මේ 90 minus x then BCA equals 180 minus 90 minus x, that means 90 minus x. Right, now we found this as 90 minus x. What can you say about this one? X. Make a 90 minus x නම් පුතේ මේක x නේ. I ගන්න පුළුවන් in this triangle AEC plus ECA plus EAC equals 180. AEC 90. ECA 90 minus x plus EAC 180. Change all the angles to your right side. 180 minus 90 minus 90 plus 6. EAC equals 6. This one is 6. Since EAC equals ABC, EAC is bisected by AC. That's the AC is EAD. Sorry, EAD is bisected by EAD is bisected by AC. ඒකනේ අහලා තියෙන්නේ. පුතාට ප්‍රශ්න දෙන්න මොන හරි අහන්න. හරි. අද 20 මාසයකට අඩු කාලයක් තමයි දැන් තියෙන්නේ නේ පුතේ. ඉතින් නැවත නැවත ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් මතක් කරගන්න. තමන්ට අවිශ්වාස දැන් අපි ජියොමෙට්‍රි ගත්තොත් එහෙම ජියොමෙට්‍රි වල තියරම්ස් ටික නැවත සියලු දේවල් මතක් කරගන්න. කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන්ස් කරනකොට සියලුම කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන්ස් මතක් කරගන්න. ප්‍රශ්න කරන අතරේ දැන් තමන්ට තියෙන දැන් නෝට් එකේ තියෙන පිළිවිලට මුලින් ඉඳන් ගියේ වටි. ඒක බලා ගන්න නැවත කරන්න. එතකොට ඔය විශේෂයෙන්ම ජොම කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් එක පුතේ ලොසිස් කරලා සම්බන්ධ කරන ප්‍රශ්න එනවා. ඒ නිසා ඒක ගැන අවධානය යොමු කරන්න. මම පුතාලා හැමෝටම බුදු සරණයි. පරිසරයෙන්